Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. In this class, we will discuss about star delta connection. Star delta connection. How it is going to be connected, how it is going to be changed. So, we discussed in previous class, a bridge is said to be balanced. If bridge is not going to be balanced, how to solve the type of questions? One is by following Kirchhoff's laws. Another one is by using this star delta connection. So if you are taking this is A, this is B, this is going to be C. How it is going to be changed? So whenever we are taking like this, so A. So A is going to be in between R1 and R2. So R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is going to be one resistance R1 or RA you can take. Next, B is going to be in between R1 and R3. So therefore R1 R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. C is going to be R2 R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this delta shape is going to be transferred like this. So if you want example, let us say here. Are the three resistors R, A, B, C. How it is going to be changed? So if you want A, R into R by R square by 3R, that is going to be R by 3. This is also same, therefore R by 3, R by 3. So it is going to be changed like this. So where we are going to use this? So while solving problem, so we will see the problem here. You might have known this. We can solve this problem in so many ways. So symmetry method is best method. So symmetry method means we will divide like this. So this image is going to be forming here. This image is going to be forming here. So this image is going to be forming here. If you divide this R into two components, this is going to be R by 2, R by 2. So how this one can be redrawn? This left part I am redrawing. This left part, it will be coming like this. Correct? This is going to be R by 2. So where this is connected means here. This is connected here. Like this it is connected. Now how R and R by 2 connected? R and R by 2 connected in parallel. Then what is the effective resistance? R into R by 2 by R plus R by 2. R into R by 2 by 3 R by 3. Correct? So then what will be coming finally? R by 2 will be cancelled. Then R by 3. Now see here, this is R, this is R, this is going to be R by 3. Now how R and R by 3 connected? R and R by 3 connected in series. R plus R by 3. That is going to be 4R by 3. Now next is going to be 4R by 3. Below one is going to be R. this resistance is going to become like this. How 4R by 3 are connected? Parallel. Parallel means, what is the formula? 4R by 3 into R by 4R by 3 plus R. Then how much you will get means 4R by 3 into R by, so 7R by 3. So again R by 3 cancel. Then finally we got 4R by 7. This left part is 4R by 7. Now right part also you will get same. This right part also you will get same. That is nothing but 4R by 7. So total these two connected in series 8R by 7. This is method of symmetry. Now we can prove the same question in by using star delta connection also. So actually we won't use for this, but just we are proving whether we are going to get same answer or not. Now this is the circuit. So what they have given. So in place of this latter, they are going to give capacitors. How to do for capacitors instead of solving entire problem by logic, how we will remember also, we will discuss. Now this is going to be A, this is going to be B. You can assume this is C, D, E you can assume. Now ADC. So ADC is going to be like delta. Correct? So like this. Like ABC, how it is there in green color. Now we can convert this one like this. So to convert like that, already we have done here. R means you will get each one R by 3. Therefore, you can redraw remaining circuit. This is going to be E. This is going to be this ADC. How it is going to be changed means just I am drawing inside only. See carefully. Already we have done there. This one is going to be changed like this. Correct? Now we can remove these. Now what is each value here now? Now what is each value means here? R by 3. This is also R by 3. This is also R by 3. Now this one also same like that. We can do. Correct? Now if you change this one like this. So star delta will be converted into star. It is going to be changed like this. R by 3, R by 3. This is also R by 3. Now this is A. Now you can observe. Now if we observe, now the previous diagram we converted like this. Okay. Now if you have seen how R by 3 connected. So R by 3 connected in series. Therefore, you will get here. This is R by 3. This is R by 3. This is going to be R. Now this is going to be changed like this. 2R by 3. Again here it is going to be R by 3. Again final one R by 3. Correct? This is B. This is A. Now if you observe this R and R by 3. Otherwise R by 3, R by 3. How these three connected here? How these three connected means series. Therefore, R by 3 plus R plus R by 3. How much you will get? 3 is LCM. So R plus 3R plus R. R plus 3R plus R. How much you will get? 5R by 3. If you remove all these three, you will get 5R by 3. Now again I am drawing the circuit just by removing this. I am drawing here only. So in place of these three, you will get how much? 5R by 3. Again 5R by 3 and 2R by 3. How these two connected means? Parallel. Parallel means R1 R2 by 5R by 3 by 2R by 3. 5R by 3 plus 2R by 3. R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Then how much you will get here? Numerator is same. 5R by 3 into 2R by 3. If you add these two, 7R by 3. Now this R by 3, this R by 3 will be cancelled. Now what will be remaining here? 10R by 3 by 7. 10R by 3 into 7. 3 into 7 is going to be 20. Now by replacing this, you will get here. How much you got now? Resistance? 10R by 21. Now again R by 3, 10R by 21, R by 3. These three connected in series. Therefore, final resistance R by 3 plus 10R by 21 plus R by 3. Now what is LCM? 21. So 7R plus 10R plus 7R. So if you add these 7 plus 10 plus 7. So 24 by 21 R. So 8 by 7. Correct? 8 3s are 24, 7 3s are 21. Previously how much we got? So previously also we got 8 by 7R. Isn't it? So for this it will be okay. Why? Because all these are similar resistors. If they give R, 2R here, 3R, 4R here, at the time we should do like this by using star delta connection. Now in place of those resistors, they will give capacitors. Similar question. Just in place of resistors, they will give capacitors. Like this. This is A, this is B. So all the capacitors are going to be having same capacitance. At the time, for resistors if you got 8R by 7, for capacitors you will get reverse 7 by 8C. Okay. So if you remember like this logically, you can get very easily answers. So instead of solving entire question, if you remember, this is called star delta connection. I hope you people understood. Just practice. If this much time, more time if you are going to take means, so you can avoid the question to solve in your final exam. So this one will be helpful whenever bridge is not going to be balanced. Whenever bridge is balanced, we will do very easily by removing the center one. So 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm. So let us assume this is 5 ohm. Now bridge is not balanced. 1 by 2 is not equal to 3 by 4. At the time, this left part is going to be A, B, C, D. So this A, B, D is going to be like star delta connection. If you apply like this star delta connection, you can solve the problem very easily. Okay, you can try this. You will be getting the answer, but it will be taking little bit time to solve. Okay, you will be having patience to solve the problem carefully. Okay, thank you.